Or if I remember when it started. Okay, yeah. Conversation. Wow.
Say sawe, it means hello. 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 Sawe is Latin for hello. You can use it as a greeting like saying why blow. Quid I guess, that means how are you? You could say it to your mom or your dad or your crew. Then comes the next part of the flow. What's thank you? Tibi gratias I go. And if I answer a question then say et tu. No need to guess who, cause it means and you. That only leaves one thing to say. The last validation before we go away. You could say check you later, that'd be okay. But Latin for goodbye is wale. That's a Latin conversation. So you get to know, that's a Latin conversation. Sawe, it means hello. Say sawe, it means hello. Say sawe,